Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. Welcome to adding fine details using texture map. We're going to be adding fine details on our eye object. Very easy. Same process again. I'm going to hide the cornea. So if I can select this guy and just save our blend file. Yep, and select our cornea or sclera, press H to hide. We just need this iris. So what we want to do, you would want to just make sure that, let me just zoom in over here. Just deleted the subdivision surface for you guys to see. Just delete this up. Yeah, see everything is a bit blocky, so we're gonna do the same process, adding a subdivision surface. Control 1. Let's add one subdivision. Right click, shade smooth, and move to your shading tab. Just zoom in over here and try to zoom in as close as possible to my iris. Oh yeah, like so. So once we're here, we need that color map again. I'm just gonna drag the color. I'm gonna type bump. So we need a bump map connected to the height slot. And once we have that, drag the normal to the normal. Come on. Yep. And then it goes crazy. So probably Z2 0.5, I don't know, 0.6, something of this nature. How to play around this, guys. And you can play around with invert. Just say you want the inverted side, but in this case I fall in love with this. Kind of works for me. I can probably increase the strength to 0.8. Oh no, that's too much. 7 maybe. Kind of gives that cheat that we have those fine details on the iris, which we never sculpted anything here. Sweet. Now that's that. The easiest way to get those fine details, cheating everything, just grabbing the color and so forth. Getting the illusion that it has those details, but it doesn't. So this was a very quick lecture. And again, guys, thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture.